Hi, my name is Stephen Martin. I am an attorney here at Genesis Legal Group. I work in their family and divorce division. So I grew up in Michigan, and my dad was an electrician, so I started as an electrician still in high school. So I used to wear a hard hat and carry a tool belt. And then I moved to Arizona and worked in a factory just doing assembly work. I did that for almost 10 years. Then for a while, I had my own business doing some political stuff. Then I went back and got my degree from Arizona State University, and then I got my law degree, and I've been practicing law. I can remember thinking that I wanted to be an attorney as early as my mid-20s. But finally, in my 50s, I was able to go, and I went to law school starting in my 50s. So when I'm not here at work, one of my big hobbies is playing golf. I play golf almost every weekend. Whether it's hot or cold, I'm out there playing golf. I have a son and a daughter. I play golf with my son. He's a really good golfer. And my daughter, we go shopping and we do daddy-daughter stuff, and we have a great time. When I was going to law school, like I said earlier, I started law school in my 50s. And I can distinctly remember one of my classmates who was starting law school at the same time I started, and he was 22. And I started in my 50s, and I can remember thinking to myself, well, he's a nice guy and everything. I wouldn't want to hire somebody that's 23 years old. What life experience do you have at 23 years old? But like I said before, I mean, my background is blue collar work, factory work, by the time I came to be a lawyer. So when I meet with a client, I bring a pretty wide range of experiences. I get a lot of feedback that I'm able to explain very complex legal issues in a way that anybody can understand. And I think that's attributable to my background. It wasn't scholastic, it wasn't academic, it was hard blue collar work. I think that's really benefited me in that I can give that to clients when they come to me. I have an undergraduate degree from Arizona State University in business, and then I got my master's, my MBA in business. And so when I get cases that are complex with businesses or vehicles or anything that's pretty complex, while I'm not an expert, I know enough about it to know what questions to ask. I learned a lot in those programs that I bring to the discipline of law. The thing that I really get great pleasure out of and satisfaction is when I can help a client understand, especially in divorce cases, because the emotions are so raw. You know, sometimes both people want a divorce, but usually one wants it and one doesn't. So what I really get satisfaction from is helping the person that comes to me. They're in a high stress when they walk in the door, just by the very nature of it. And by the time they leave, I can usually get them calmed down and help them to kind of see it from 30,000 feet instead of seeing it from the yuck that they're right in the middle of. When I moved out here years ago, I was married and I divorced the mother of my children, and that was 25 years ago. So it's not raw anymore, but it was raw at the time. And so I've been through that. 25 years down the line, you might not know it today, but it's gonna work out. My experience now, I'm 25 years after it, it's all okay. It's gonna be okay.